KVUE Stock Analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Kenvue stock is a buy or not for me. I've done 36,000 videos, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. All of this is documented on this YouTube channel. This is how the chart's looking like, so I was absolutely correct. Like plenty of times, this was like 6 days ago, only got 14 freaking views, which is absolutely awful. But guess what happened? Guess, just guess. It was 21.94 at the time.
Not gonna buy, so I'm always gonna continue to keep you updated if you want to.
But guess what happened, man? Absolutely, it's 23. I went from 21 to 23. Nothing crazy, but like it was a decent increase for 6%, and I'm still looking to take it up. You know, ideally this takes the highs out at 24. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Like really not in a rush. You can just simply milking what I can, just following my edge. So see ya.